do-it-yourself dowel here, product that recently purchased. This is a Tineco carpet cleaner. The cleaning solution comes with it. I think a smaller bottle than this, and the solution goes 2 capfuls with then you fill up the rest with the water, and that's this. And we got some in left over from last time, and it is fairly easy to access the top. Pour your 2 capfuls of cleaning solution in there, and then your water. And the water doesn't have to be hot. The machine heats the water for you, and it does a pretty good job of it. And let's see if I can get this in here. I said that there it is. That's how easy that is. And this is the I think you have to push a pedal here to get that out. Let me see. Is it this one? Yeah, that's the pedal, and this is the dirty water goes in here, and when it gets up to a certain level, the machine will talk to you and tell you to take it out and change it. So that's easy peasy that way. And your controls are up here. You can start it up here, and you can when you move forward, it applies the cleaning solution, and then when you come back, it stops. And there's also a mode that you can dry the carpeting without applying any cleaning solution, and on the screen here it tells you by percentages how wet the carpeting is. So when you're going over it, you'll see the percentage go down to 0, and then you can move on to a different place if the carpet is still wet. And we bought extra cleaning solution, but like I say, at 2 capfuls it stays quite a while. Here are the accessories that you plug in, and I think that's this right here, right? Isn't that? Does that go there? Is that go in the front? It must go in the front.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So that's just a relatively easy thing. You just flip open the cover. And now this, what I immediately thought about this is hard to reach places and so forth, but what I immediately thought about, boy, this would be something as for cleaning a car. Because you just take it in there, you got the hose, and have yet to try it out, but that might come about in a shorter time than you might think. I'll be able to give it the acid test. And then there's a couple other little extra things that came with it, a little like sponge thing, and another. This is a different kind of app. This is just for cleaning the inside tube. And so there you have it. And we've used this, and a lot of the, it takes out dirt, it takes out little pieces of comb, hair, tar, so it's got a wide range of things that it'll take out, and it's a really good feeling to see all that dirt that's not in your carpet any longer. So, and now here is another product by the same company that this is what it looks like, and this is the charging station right here. It charges the battery when you put it in. This light's a little bit in the way, but and then here is the item that you use most. It snaps right into here. It's got a little like button catch, snaps right in there, and here again, this will show you everything is clear here. You can see the dirt, and I don't know, hair and fuzz and everything that's in that carpet, it gets picked up, you see it. Here's a filter. It's easily to take out. And this one I should have brushed off from the last time and didn't. But it does come with a little brush, and it comes with 2 of these. And there's another filter up here, and there's another HEPA filter here, and I think there's another one up there. It's pretty good that way about filters. And just recently, if I had to do this over again, I would put this up higher. That way you could keep this in the tool while it's being charged. But we put this a little bit low. But here are the other accessories. This one gets used pretty much. And I would say the next one in order of use is this. This one has a brush here. Again, this might be useful for, I don't know if that could be fit onto the car. I think just this one. Let me think. No, I think everything would take it outside and work on the car. I think all of that could be used. So this, let's see if that'll snap in there. So why isn't that working?
I don't know if that one's ready to be taken off.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
Okay, this is what comes off.
Yeah.
And
So maybe they got snagged or something. I think you just pull, you lightly pull that one versus actually pull the whole unit off.
Okay. So this should just snap right back in there?
Sure.
Okay.
You gotta line it up.
There.
It's like a Lego.
Okay. So maybe. Now here's another accessory. This is a cleaner for that filter I showed you a minute ago. You put this on the unit and this will clean that. Another way of cleaning that is to put it in the, brush it off with this little brush, or put it under the kitchen faucet or something. There's the other one, and this is what it looks like, a little bit cleaner. And let's see what else. That can go back like that. And that just sits on there. And so here is the other one. This goes in place of this. So it's just a same type of outfit, but it's just smaller. So this, and again, these things just snap on and off. This in place of that. And it's got a roller brush and everything, as does this. And these parts are all really light. And okay. So this has recently been added. This to put all the accessories in one place. So I'll put this back. This way you've got your where are we here? This. So let's see if this fits. How exactly this fits there. Let's see. Oh, I see, like that. There it is. So pull the lever, the catch, and this will come right out. So all I have to figure out now is how to get this something like that. There. It's lined up. Pretty much lined up. And try again. There. Okay. Feel it where it's supposed to catch. There. Got it. At first you don't succeed, keep after it. Now that should just, there. So this way everything's all in one place. You don't have to keep these little accessories in a different box, and then you have to locate the box, and everything's here in one place. And then here, as you charge up the battery, there's lights. Here it is. Goes upside down, and there are lights that tells you the battery is charging. Sequential blue lights. There it is. Sequential blue lights, and they keep going. And when they're done, this battery's fully charged, so it's done. So everything's kind of neat. And there again, I'm going to take this brush out here, and I'll show you a little bit about that. This filter is what gets dirty the most. And question of just taking the brush, or like that. Okay, that new thing we bought for cleaning the keyboards and the desktop. Let's see if that'll work here.
Press the button.
So that's another way. We just got this, but this was used for the desk, for the keyboard, the computer keyboard, and keeping desk off the computer desk. So we just got that, and I just thought while we were doing this that it might be good for this. Another way is you can take it, as I said, put it in the kitchen sink, put a little soap on it, and rinse the dirt off it and let it dry. And let it dry for maybe 48 hours. So it takes a while for it to dry. But those are the options. And also, like as I say, you have the other filter, so you could take this one out, put the other one in right away, or you can use this on the equipment and clean the filter while it's in the package. So that will, and you can, I think, did I turn it? Yeah, you can turn it as well. So while you're cleaning, you can turn it. So let's see, and also it has a trigger here, so you don't have to hold the button down, and it has different speeds, and they're indicated by these lights. I usually keep it on the slow speed, but there's no law against saying again you can turn the filter as you are going. And so a lot of things about this item are just easy. They're convenient, and it does an outstanding job of cleaning. And as I say, every little thing that's on that carpet you can see. You take it out, and this empties out really easy too. You can, I'll show you in a second. Flip a lever and so let me get this out there. That goes there. And then this is your lever for cleaning, and you can see just with the little bit we've been doing, we got some in there, and you can see it drop out. So also this whole section here comes out, and sometimes this in here gets dirty. Relatively easy to clean. It's relatively there, and it's just a little turn clockwise, and you can hear it snap. And then you don't need this open to put in your filter. So that there it is. So the Tineco cordless vac and the carpet cleaner machine. Also, this one is, I think, $300 or $400 cheaper than the big name. So that was another thing to consider if you're considering your finances. So there you have it. A couple of Tineco products that have. This has been. We've had this for what, 2 years? and it gets used a lot.
The battery lasts a long time.
And the battery holds the charge and it lasts, and so that's another consideration there.
The big thing with Dyson's is the batteries only last like 12 minutes.
Yeah.
This one lasts like an hour.
I'm not a real big vacuuming guy, but it doesn't take an hour. It can fit under things, and it's relatively adaptive to the different furniture arrangements and so forth, and you have a nice feeling of it being clean afterwards, and then also, like I say, you can see what's been picked up, and it is, as I've shown, relatively easy to empty that and then just get back in the saddle and get back to it. So there you have it. A couple of Tineco projects and products, and this one we've had a couple of years, and this one just got. So happy with both of them. Subscribe and comment.